बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Hyderabad. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Maths Basics. In Maths Basics, we will see division of decimal number case 3 manual calculation for MDCAT aspirants. My dear MDCAT aspirants, I know in your MDCAT test you will be not allowed to use calculator. That's why I will teach you how to do manual calculation. But listen to me two things carefully. We are doing case 3. We are not doing case 1, case 2. Case 1 and case 2 were easy, but case 3 is bit difficult. And one more thing, we are doing scientific notation manual calculation next video. Okay, now let's take an example. 2.2 divided by 3.2. Now, this whole question I will take into a fraction. After point, how many numbers are there? 1 means cut it down and 1 0. Cut it down 1 0. Okay. Now make again a line. Now we will write 220 and 320. 320. Now it is cutting with 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining. 1 will become here. 2 6 are 12. 0 as it is. 2 ones are 2 and 2 tens are 20. Now it's become 110 and 160. It is cutting again with 2 table. 2 8 is 16 and 0. 2 5 are 10. 1 is remaining. 1 here. 2 5 are 10. Now 55 and 80. It is cutting with 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 3 is remaining. 3 here. 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. Again 11 and 1 6 16. Now we need to take this question in a radical, but in point 2. See, the denominator will be outside, the numerator will be inside. How can we will read the 16 table? 16 on the 16 is bigger than 11. That's why we need to take point. First of all 0 and point. 0. Let's take rough work. 16 multiply by 6 6 are 36. 36. 6 here and 3 here. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 96. 96. Sorry. 96 minus 14. I have no space, that's why I am writing the answer here. The answer is 0.6 is the answer. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.